This is a stainless steel table. I'm gonna build some cool ass butcher block top. The clamps that come in, they hold down a hoagie. It's electric chainsaw and like, my name's Jose. I'm part of Mach Made It, which is my name. Just call me Mach. Jesus. Darn. Why the f is this so hard? Next up is trying to figure out how tall this box should be. I kind of like 42, which is the height of this paint can. Feels pretty nice. Feels like something you could come up to, take your chainsaw, cut it. Maybe smaller, maybe not. These are just the frameworks and the skeletons of it. And it's like some shiny paneling, so when I get some like stick adhesive vinyl, it'll stick really well. Butcher block now goes on top of this, as well as this. There goes the table on that side. This is the cutting board I was talking about. It will get flushed like that, about there. Then you have the split. And that's exactly where the chainsaw goes. Now here you can see the clamp system. This goes in the holes I drilled out. I clamps in and grabs onto the hoagie. Some cutting board oil. Next up is graphics for the side.